Hi, this is Pankaj Singh here, your host and host, your brother from another mother. Welcome to our show, Affiliate Uncle on Fire. Yes, you have heard that right. I'm your Affiliate Uncle, Pankaj Singh, and I once again welcome you to my show, Affiliate Uncle on Fire. So today in this episode, I'm gonna talk about can you use ChatGPT for your affiliate marketing business. So I'm gonna talk about this. But before telling this, I just want to say that as you know, I have my own ebook that is Affiliate Commission Secrets. And in that ebook, I have revealed everything that you need to know to build a solid affiliate marketing business step by step. And this book is available on Amazon. So if you want to get this book, you have to pay for that. But here I have deal for you. If you want to get this book for free, all you have to do is like, share, comment, and subscribe to my show. And once you do that, send me an email to my email address that is pankja.singh@gmail.com with the subject Affiliate Commission Secrets. And when I get your email, I will give you free access to read this book. Fair deal? Now without any delay, let me show you how to use ChatGPT for affiliate marketing business. As you can see, I have logged in into my ChatGPT account. Actually, it's a free tool that you can use for your affiliate marketing business. And yes, if you are thinking that can you use ChatGPT for affiliate marketing, then my answer is yes. You can use this tool for your affiliate marketing business. And how you can use that tool for your affiliate marketing business? Let me show you how. As you can see, once you log in into your affiliate account, then you can see that here, message chat GPT. So in this section, type like best affiliate programs for affiliate marketing. Best affiliate programs for affiliate marketing. When I type this and when I hit enter, it will give me all the best affiliate programs for affiliate marketing that I can promote. Especially when I don't know what are the programs that I need to promote. So it will give me all the list of best affiliate programs that I can go and I can start promoting. So let me show you how. So can you see that send message? So if I click on that, then you will see that. You will see the magic, what it is doing. It has given me all the best affiliate programs that I can go and start promoting. You can see that Amazon Associates affiliate program allows you to promote millions of products available on their platform and earn commissions for qualifying purchases made through your affiliate links. Another one is Commission Junction. CJ Affiliate, formerly Commission Junction, is one of the largest affiliate marketing networks offering a wide range of advertisers and products to promote. Next one is Share a Sale. Share a Sale is another popular affiliate marketing network with a diverse range of merchants and products across various niches. ClickBank specializes in digital products such as ebooks, software, and online courses. It's known for high commissions and a wide variety of products. Rakuten Marketing, then you can see that eBay Partner Network, Shopify Affiliate Program, Bluehost Affiliate Program, Airbnb Affiliate Program, Semrush Affiliate Program. So you can see that list of all the programs that you can promote that I can promote. So don't you think it's a great tool to use for your affiliate marketing business? Now, if I want to know that what are the best strategy to promote affiliate product, then it will also give me all the ideas, or you can say it will give me the strategy that I can use to promote affiliate product. Best strategies to promote affiliate product. If I click on that send message, then it will give me that I can use. You can see that. Can you see the magic? Know your audience. Understand your target audience needs, preferences, and pain points. Tailor your promotions to address their specific interests and challenges. So this is the first thing that we have to keep that in our mind. Know your audience. This is very, very important. Then what next? Content marketing. Create high quality content. Once you know, okay, these are my, you can say, ideal customers that you are going to target in your niche, then what you have to do or what you can do, content marketing. So you can go with content marketing, like create high quality content that provides value to your audience while subtly incorporating affiliate product recommendations. This can include blog posts, articles, videos, podcasts, and social media posts. So this is what you can do. Second thing you can do, SEO optimization, search engine optimization. Optimize your content for search engines to attract organic traffic. Conduct keyword research to identify relevant keywords and incorporate them into your content and meta tags. Email marketing, build an email list and nurture relationships with your subscribers by providing valuable content and exclusive offers. Incorporate affiliate product recommendations into your email campaigns strategically. Social media marketing, leverage social media platforms to promote affiliate products to your followers, share engaging content, run targeted ads, and participate in relevant communities and groups. So yes, you can go with this strategy if you want. Product reviews and comparisons. Create in-depth reviews and comparisons of affiliate products to help your audience make informed purchasing decisions. Include your affiliate links within these reviews. So you can see that all the strategies that you can use. Offer incentives. You can offer incentives, offer special deals, discounts, or bonuses to incentivize your audience to purchase through your affiliate links. Limited time promotions or exclusive bonuses can help increase conversions. Guest blogging and collaborations, webinars and workshops that you can do. Track and analyze performance. Monitor the performance of your affiliate promotions using tracking tools and analytics. Build trust and credibility. Stay updated and adapt. Keep abreast of industry trends, changes in consumer behavior, and updates to affiliate programs. So these are the strategies that you can use to promote your affiliate product. As you can see that you can do so many things by using Chatgpt for your affiliate marketing business. Or if you want to know how to promote affiliate product on Facebook, then yes, it will give you so many ideas, so many strategies to promote on Facebook your affiliate product. Let me show you how to promote affiliate product on Facebook. So if I click on that send message, then it will give me ideas, or you can say strategies that I can use to promote affiliate product on Facebook. You can see that. You can see the magic. What are the things that I can do to promote affiliate product on Facebook? Yeah. So you can see, choose your niche, select affiliate products, create compelling content, build a Facebook page or group, optimize your Facebook profile, share value adding content, incorporate affiliate links, engage with your audience, promote your content, track and analyze performance, comply with Facebook's policies, stay updated and adapt. So these are the things that I can do to promote my affiliate product on Facebook. If I want to know how to promote on Instagram, then same thing. How to promote affiliate product on Instagram. Then you can see that. Something similar to that you have to do. Yeah, you can see. Same thing, choose your niche, select affiliate products, create an Instagram business account, optimize your profile, create compelling content, write captivating captions, utilize IGTV and Reels, engage with your audience, collaborate with influencers, track performance, comply with Instagram's guidelines. So these are the things that you can do, right? And what else? If you want to promote on YouTube, then yes, how to promote affiliate product on YouTube. Yeah, you can see the magic. So overall idea is that there is no excuse. There is no excuse. You can use this Chatgpt tool for your affiliate marketing business. Yeah, you can see that. Choose your niche, select affiliate products, create a YouTube channel, optimize your videos for SEO, create compelling content, include affiliate links in video descriptions, disclose your affiliate relationships, promote affiliate products naturally, engage with your audience, collaborate with other YouTubers, create tutorials and how-to guides like I'm doing, track performance. So these are the things that you can do to promote your affiliate product on YouTube. Got it? What else you can do? There are so many things that you can do with ChatGPT. If you don't know how to create email sequence, so you can type how to create email sequence for affiliate marketing. Yeah, you can see that. Set your goals, understand your audience, choose affiliate products, plan your sequence, craft compelling subject lines, create valuable content, incorporate affiliate links, use persuasive copywriting, include call to actions, segment and personalize, test and optimize, monitor results. So you can see that with the help of ChatGPT, you can do so many things related to your affiliate marketing business, right? So now you know that how to use ChatGPT for your affiliate marketing business. I hope you got the answer that can you use ChatGPT for your affiliate marketing business? My answer is yes. You can leverage this tool for your affiliate marketing business, right? So that's it for today. And yes, if you have any questions, you can ask your question. I will try my level best to help you. I will try my level best to answer you. And yes, if you want to get my book, then all you have to do is like, share, comment, and subscribe to my show. And once you do that, send me an email to my email address, that is pankja.singh@gmail.com with the subject affiliate commission secrets. And when I get your email, I will give you free access to read this book. Fair deal? So now that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Love you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.